Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a beautiful Honda FT500, flat tracker 500 as they say. It's got a little micron exhaust on it, 10,000 miles on the odometer. Front tyre is okay, front mudguard has few little things in it. As I said, it is an older bike. Front shocks are looking okay as well. Headlight indicators all there, original. Very nice. As I said, 10,643 miles. We've got 2 keys with it, one original. All the switch gear actually is all working nicely, still very tactile. Tank here is good as well, probably repainted at some stage. Same with the side panels and the rear of the bike also. Seat is a few little rips on the left hand side here, but I think it is the original seat. I could be wrong, but I think it is the original. The rear has a little bit of a kind of a stone chip or something in it there. ZV plate on it, indicators original, rear tire is good. Disc pads, everything like that, nice. There's that, I think, period correct micron exhaust. We've got the black engine here as well. Carburetor bike, of course. Looks like the exhaust may have gotten a little bit of a spray at some time as well. And the kind of diamond cut finish kind of to the bike. A little bit of cracking in the front tire here, as you can see. But that's it for the FT500 in terms of its visuals. Let's go for a spin. Okay, onto the FT500. Ignition on with help rather than parking light. Clutch in. Very nice. And away we go. These are, one thing I'll say is the first thing you notice, it's a very comfortable little bike. Sitting position is quite easy. Handlebars are quite lazy. And we're going to turn right. See if the just see if the choke is on here. Where's the choke? Here. Idle seems a little bit high, but I mean that's one screw. Just turn it down a little bit. But apart from that, all very nice. Nice to have. All very good. Yeah, I mean, very, very standard bike for its era. Going through the gear here now in second gear, down into first. One thing I will say is a lot of these older bikes that we have, a lot of them need a good run, to be honest. Need to be revved out like that and need to be cleared a little bit. I'm just going to take it easy here because children. There, I'm conscious. I am being very wary today. It is a Sunday. It's one of the nicest days of the year, and I am riding a bike up and down a estate here. I don't want to be too annoying to everyone, so fairly slowly does it. So sorry about that if you were hoping for a little bit more speed, but this is just a video just to keep you guys informed in terms of going through all the gears, stopping, starting, all using front brake, rear brake. Speaking of that, rear brake feels good. We're slowing down there nicely. Indicator into the left. So a nice little FT500 example. We're not asking big museum quality pricing, you know, so it's very usable, classic bike. And quite nice overall, really. Very standard little thing. I know, very easy to maintain and keep going as well. So anyway, one thing I need to do when I get back is just dial down the idle screw a small bit. I'm going to turn in left here and we'll do the electrics. Horn is working there, as you can hear. So I'm going to stick it into neutral. Finding neutral was super easy. It's not stuck, it's not anything like that. Front left indicator is working there. Rear left indicator working. Rear right indicator needs a, there we go. You can see it flicking in and out there. There, look. So that just needs to be tightened or something. So we'll get that done as well. And the front right also. So once I, yeah, there we go, look. So that just needs to be, look, once I start messing with that, they just need a little bit of a looking to, nothing crazy. Lights here are, if I turn them on maybe. There we go. Front headlamp, high beam and low beam both working. So all electrics are working. We'll get that 2 indicator sorted. Put down the idle screw a small bit, and she's absolutely golden. Front brake, rear brake going through all the gears, stopping, starting, idling. Clutch feels good. Everything pretty nice on this little FG500. So if you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you do want to reach out to us, our socials are at RetroBikesDublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.